skin looks.
It
looks great.
Doesn't look so good.
It does. Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
And Wendy went to TJ Maxx and I didn't. So prepare for this entire video for me to be like,
Oh, we'll have to see about that. Okay, so I just love TJ Maxx and Home Goods like so much. It's like one of my favorite stores to go to. And I have one like right in my city, but my favorite one is like 25 minutes away. So yes, I drive to it because their health and beauty section is off the chain. Lake Forest. So those of you in Lake Forest, is off of Los Alisos. Anyway.
Oh, I just saw something good in here. Okay, go.
Okay. First up, I talk about it all the time. This is my favorite lotion of all time. It's Hemp's. It's the original. I love it. It's the best place to buy it because it's $10.99. Anywhere else, it's close to 20 bucks. Just smell it. I know, like...
No, it smells great.
It is my favorite. And
it smells like amoxicillin.
What?
Like pink.
You think?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I love the scent of it.
I love that scent.
The thing is, I think people are on to my, like, trick because every time I go in there, it's not there anymore. I have to go, like, twice a week sometimes. Because what I like about at TJ Maxx, like, have you ever noticed, like, they organize, like, by color? So, like, they'll have, like, white products, pink products, blue products. And
it's
so
just a real terrible way to organize things.
I know, but I always go to it, and I'm like, the white lotion's not there. And then they always have, like, the other scents, but this is my favorite. So when I find it, I usually grab, like, one or two if I can. But it's the bomb. I love it so much. Love it. Okay. These are just random things. Random. Because I feel like I need some, like,
I have those exact ones.
Where'd you get them from?
There.
Really?
Uh-huh.
They're blow-dry clips, blow-dry hair clips by Swissco. I mean, I don't have much hair, but I was like, sometimes I put it up and, like, dry it underneath.
That's how I separate my hair.
I do.
For drying and curling, they're awesome.
I'm so excited. Like, I don't know why.
You can get on Amazon too. We'll leave a link if you don't have like a Home Goods.
Yeah, and these were $3.99 at Home Goods. I'm gonna come back to this because it's super random. This, guys, Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic, not glycolic. These are the Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Fixed Foaming Pads. I believe we got these in like an old subscription box. Do you remember either FabFitFun?
Foaming? Interesting.
Or what was that other one we used to get? The monthly one.
Pop Sugar.
They're quarterly now, right?
I know.
Anyway, I was like, a little glycolic. Why can't I say that word? Glycolic. Anyway, I don't take care of my skin as best as I should.
But foaming. Do you think you add water to them to get them to foam? It doesn't
know.
It just says
I just bought it.
You got to report back. I'm excited.
I will.
About those. I love a glycolic.
Watch our Instagram stories. It will be there, okay? This is super random. I'm so glad that they have these there. These are the Alba Botanica. Am I saying that right? Acne Dots. Dote.
Acne dope. Like antidote. Acne dope.
I remember that one time that I kept saying antidote instead of
anecdote.
Anyway, of course they have to be called something like that. These are so awesome. These are like those little pimple patches. You peel it off and you put it on when you have a big zit. So
you wake up in the morning and it's so gross, but man, is it satisfying.
I know, and these are $5.99. I can't. They sold them at Target too. I can't remember.
They're always sold out at Target. That's a better price, I think. What does it say? Does it say compare it $6? Oh, compare it $8.
All right.
Yeah, I order a brand from Amazon, and guys, if you don't have pimple patches in your life, you need them.
Yeah, they're awesome. Okay, this was a random purchase. This is Sanctuary Spa Purifying Charcoal Shower Burst. I don't know. You put it on in the shower. It's like a
clouds of cooling, cleansing foam. Charcoal and menthol.
It just sounded good to me. Like a spraying of foam in the shower. Doesn't that sound fun? I'm scared. Oh, that's fun. Come on. In the shower? Does it smell good?
It smells a little bit like menthol. It's not as, ooh, look, it's turning gray. Like the charcoal is coming out, but
super into
now there's soap on my hands.
Sorry, this was $3.99. The only thing I don't like is this gonna get, yikes. Oh, wash your hands.
Keep talking.
I just don't know if this is gonna get rusty in the shower. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Can I have a paper towel too, please?
Yeah.
You know, like those shaving bottles, sometimes how they get rusty on the bottom. I'm hoping that this doesn't do that, but I was like, whatever.
You can have a non-paper towel because we like the environment.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. All right. Now this was such a find to me. This is,
Excited.
wow, she was like whispering in my ear. I'm like, what? Okay. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and the Becca, oh my gosh, I can't even, Under Eye Brightening Corrector. This was a trio in a box.
That's exciting.
Becca at TJ Maxx.
That is exciting.
Right?
I have the pump size of this, but I've never used the blue one.
Yeah, this was like a travel,
I like
thing.
these sizes.
You know, and I read some reviews on this, and a lot of people don't like it, and I thought well, maybe that's why it's at TJ Maxx. But this alone and this here, because I have such dark circles, like I'm super excited. That was a super exciting find to me. Speaking of exciting big brand names, Marc Jacobs, TJ Maxx. This is a foundation brush.
Interesting.
You know, I was like $6. Yes, I'm gonna buy a Marc Jacobs brush. I don't know if it's good or not. I buy brushes like they're going out of style. They always have Real Techniques there. Always. I love Real Techniques. Those are like my favorite.
And they always have those like oval like
they do
foundation brushes that are fun to use.
Yeah, those are fun too. Okay, so a couple more little things. This is a Murad oil-free sunscreen with SPF 30. Murad's a really nice product that can be kind of pricey. This was maybe less than $10.
Nice.
I mean, yeah. This is boring, I know, but I always need nail brushes, especially in the summertime because my feet get funky and dirty in the summertime. So I always keep these in the shower to like give them a better clean. Why are you making that face at me?
I haven't owned a nail brush in years, man.
I use this because
for your fingernails or your toenails?
My heels.
Oh, well, I have like a cheese grater in my shower for my heels. Like, I scrub the crap out of them.
I mean, I have that too.
That would do nothing on my heels.
But I like wear flip-flops a lot during the summer and I feel like my feet
they get so dirty.
So I just like scrub the crap out of them with like these and I love them. So
that's not a bad idea. I like that idea.
Okay. Now, this is my last item. I mean, I think I'm just trying to will summer here because it's been cold. And these maybe
Bite your tongue.
Might be grandma sandals, but I don't know. They're Steve Madden. I think they're adorable.
They are cute, and you can't really see, but they're like almost like a blush pink. Like
yes,
I think they're reading tan on the camera, but they're like a blush. They're cute.
So these are $29 compared at $48. I just think they're so cute. And yeah. Anyway. Oh.
Tell me.
Final last thing.
Oh.
This is not exciting, but this is an all-purpose cleaner by Honest, and it's a grapefruit, and I love the smell of grapefruit. So I just randomly threw this in my cart.
I love a good all-purpose cleaner. I'm looking for that Target one that smells like the volcano candle that they can't keep in stock.
I don't know anything about that.
And it's $1.59 or something. It's from that new Smartly brand.
Yeah.
And it's Citrus Grove, and it smells like the volcano candle. And
Who told you about that?
Everybody on Instagram.
Sorry. This just smells like grapefruit. I have a real thing for grapefruit right now.
It smells like an actual fresh grapefruit, not like a grapefruit scented thing. It's good.
I just like it because, you know, Megan, I had a squirt here like in December, and now I can't, you know, squirt. It's like citrus soda that tastes like grapefruit.
Sure.
I can't
stop buying it.
Can't break the grapefruit habit.
That's my husband's one of his favorites.
It's delicious. Okay, so that is my TJ Maxx haul.
That was fun, guys. Get yourself to TJ Maxx because, man,
the Becca stuff alone. They had Becca foundations too. The shades were too dark for me, but yeah. Well, We Have a Home Goods very close, and it's a good Home Goods. Yeah.
But it's not a good. They don't have a TJ Maxx aspect, so there's no
beauty stuff. Huh?
Such a shame. I wish. Which is probably for the best because I go all the time because it's like real close.
Real close. All right, that's it.
Okay, guys, go to TJ Maxx. Still have your favorite things to find there. Your secret finds. Those hair clips are worth the trip alone. I'm not going to stop talking just because she wants me to. That's not how this works. We'll see you in another video really soon. Bye.
Bye.